34 down Kennels. See Crush right here. Of course, we got this month's food. Of course, like me, I eat a variety of food, so why would I feed my dogs anything but a variety? You feel me? Pups getting big, they just 1 month old. But as y'all see, we got of course, the natural ultra mix, the all life stages formulas. This is the stuff that's really finna blow them up. I think I'm gonna have them on that within the next week or so. Then of course, the perfect balance, the monster. When Crush came from Reno, this is the actual food that I had turned him over to because I couldn't get the vector at the time. Core wellness, grain free, of course. A lot of individuals know about the turkey meal and chicken meal. Include different antioxidants and mega fatty acids, and natural balance is another good food. Sweet potato blend, chicken and sweet potato, I should say that is. And then of course we got the holistic complete for the adult. That'll be something that Crush will be eating for itself to help him with his bowels, because he be stinking up the house, you feel me, on the real. And then we got the true food right there. Whatever don't get used this month will get rolled over from next month. Like these two actually I bought these last month, but they got rolled over because we didn't run through these. We ran through about like 4 or 5 other bags. If y'all check the old footage from last month, y'all will see exactly what was going on with that. What all foods they ate and things like that over the course of this month. What we had in the kennel form. But yeah, man, I mean, all these different brands right here is good. They all unique. They all got their own different things that they do, but they not cheap. About 40 bucks and up per each bag. No corn, no soy, no wheat is really what you want. You know what I mean? Crush Jade over there, and we got one that didn't veer it off. But yeah, man, I try to feed mine some good food, substance. Y'all know what y'all puppies getting, you know what I mean? The dogs is enjoying. You feel me? So yeah, it's all good. And of course, as y'all know, I put the Unimilk on it, or the Pro Nurse, about the same thing. So yeah, man, and it's a blessing. It's a blessing. .34 down kennel. She ready to protect the yard. Jade, the mom. Yeah, man.